Hello everyone, so it's our first time here at Oakland Zoo, so I will give you a tour. Ayan kami na susunod.
Come with us.
Ayan na. Go kuya, go.
3, 4. I can fit 4 more.
Go. Ay. Yay! Oh my God. Nakikita ko yung taas. Oh my God.
I feel like we're in a roller coaster right now. Wow.
Oh my God.
You okay?
Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh my God, baby, wag mo akong anuhin. Oh my God, baby! Oh, sorry.
I'm still.
Oh my God. Oh my God, ang taas. Oh my God. Cha. Hindi ko masyadong mabidyo to. Ikaw nga mabidyo, baby. Ikaw na mabidyo. Gago. Oh my God, lalong tumataas. Oh my. Ay, baby. Oh, kuya, ikaw na
Wait, let's stop.
Oh, we're stuck.
Oh my God.
Oh! Wait, so
Bibi, ikaw na nga mag-video.
oh my gosh, this is actually scary.
Bibi, ikaw na mag-video. God, ang taas talaga niya.
That's it. We're done.
Oh my God.
I think the other rest are scared. Others are behind us.
Bibi, bukas yan ha. Baka bumagsak mo ha.
I don't know, can you, like, wave? Can I see?
Oh my God, ang ganda no. Yan ang video mo doon no.
Yeah, I feel like you're having a heart attack. I feel like you're having a heart attack.
Ay, I can breathe now.
Good, now you're not having a heart attack.
My hands are so cold.
You just had a heart attack for about 3 seconds.
Because you know that I'm scared of heights. No, hawakan mo muna.
I'm kind of scared.
Oh, picture na mo kami, bilis. Picture na mo kami. Yeah, okay lang video. Picture ko yan. Ayan. Amin na, picture ko rin kayo. Ayan, go. Yan. Ang laki na na. Ganyan ang bebe ko ah.
What's wrong?
Oh, diba? Ang taas, diba? Takot na takot ako.
Here.
Ayan, nandito na kami. Yay!
Rest.
Go na, go. You go first. You go first. Aray yun. Nanginginig ako. Takot ako sa height. Oh, nakapikit ako. Nanginginig ako. Ako ang mas takot kaysa sa mga anak ko. My goodness. Oh my God, nanginginig talaga ako. Picture muna kami. Pipicture ako muna sila. Yan.
1, 2, 3.
Ito yung bago nilang attraction. May mga animals din dito. Hindi ko alam kung ano. So, we'll see. Ayan, nasa pinakatuktok kami ng bundok. Ang taas ganda ng ano. Ganda oh. Look oh, ang taas namin. Oh, look oh. Wow. Did you see it, kuya? Look at the wings. Grabe taas ang lipad na, no? Yung airplane is 40,000. Pero yung eagle, 15,000 feet. Wow.
Is it gonna go in the water? Look what it is.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's going in. Oh, I didn't see it.
Wow.
It's so big.
Sakto ka. Ay, meron pa yung paisa.
There's another one.
I got it.
Oh my gosh. Yun ang bear dito.
It's a little haunted.
you see it na? Ayan na. Ah. Ay, picture lang kita na. Yeah. Picture kita pula. Yeah. Look na ka, there's another bear. Do you see that? See, look.
All three are just
Yeah. So may playground din pala rito sa taas. Okay. Cool. Francisco Bay Overlook. Ang ganda pala yun. Oh, wow. Ang ganda, oh. Yan ang overview ng San Francisco Bay Overlook. Zoom natin ang konti. Ayun pala yung mga bison. Nalaki, oh.
Oh, yes. They did. It was
Wow.
like letter thing. Yeah.
O, diba? Ganda, oh. Sarap magstay dito. Ayan, may mga food store din dito. Ayan, gusto yung kumain, meron. Ayan, pababa na kami.
It's not scary. Oh my god. It's not scary. Hold on. No, I'm scared. It's not scary. Oh my. It's a city.
That's why Dad didn't want to do
Oh god.
Picture mo nga kami.
News club.
Ay, hindi na ang office, ah. Ayan, picture na. Come, look at that.
I love this video of the bear.
Hindi ko nakikita.
He's on his back.
Oh.
Just stop there. Just stop there for a second. And for like 20.
I'm scared of heights.
Look
Rules
under.
there.
Look under. Look under. Look under. Look under.
No, no.
Behind your chair.
Now this is the steep one.
Look
down.
Touch the wall. Touch the wall.
You looked.
We're almost there, mommy. We're almost there.
Yay, I survived. Pause na pause ako. Tinatawanan ako ng anak ko pababa naman. My goodness. Oh, pause na pause ako.
Heart attack. What do you mean?
My goodness, grabe pala, no? Oh, yun pala. Yun ako, blue raspberry.
Yeah, but feeling.
You want it, Ian?
You wanna try it? Tapos ito yung Coke. Ayan, two. Laka ng giraffe, no? Ayan yung medyo baby pa. 4, and then 5, 6. So 6 yung giraffe. Ang laki, no?
There's 3.
Kumain siya. Naglalakad na ko. Yeah. Ah, tanda na, no? Wow. Yeah.
Water. I wonder what it's doing there. Maybe she's hiding.
Ay, nagtago.
Over here. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, smile. Dangle.
Wow. Wow. Galing, oh. Stigo, that is, oh my gosh. So fast. Ah, that is so cute. Oh my gosh. Baby, no? Ang liit, eh, no? Wow. Ang bilis sumakit. Oh. Oh, nagsishow siya. Oh, wow.
Ian can do that.
Oh, there's another one. Maybe it's mommy.
Oh, ayun yung ano, nanay niya ata. Wow, oh! Ang bilis, oh. Ang galing, oh.
Can you imagine hanging like that? Because this must be.
Galing niya maghang na ko. Oh.
I can't see it in my mouth.
Wow. Kuya, baka malaglag ka dyan, ha?
I don't know, it's a mom.
Oh, kinuha yung laruan.
Oh, it's eating
Laruan.
something.
Oh! He's eating. Ano yun? Watermelon? Or apple? Wait, no.
Hey,
Apple?
let's go.
Oh my gosh, that is so cute. What a nice color.
Hello.
Oh, yun. Siya.
Mommy, found another one. It's right there.
Saan?
That other one.
Ay, ang liit niya.
That's a
Laki, oh.
Skin.
Ayaw nga, no? Ang balad siya, oh. Grabe, oh.
I look, there's two froggies.
And then, there's some two frogs in here.
Seven. Just two froggies.
Oh my gosh, are they fighting? Garden beetle.
I need to see spiders. Wow.
Ayun, no? Walking stick yung mga yun. Ang dami, no?
Did you see the size of this spider?
Oh my gosh. Wow. Cute ng color. Kala kong black lang yung mga dito. May kanya-kanyang color pala. Stick ng color. Oh, ang galing. Ang daming ano. Ang daming web. Tarantula. Ang kapal ng web niya, no? Kala ko dumi yung pala web niya. Wow. Ayan, natapos na kami. Pagod na daw yung isa, oh. Hindi pa namin naikot lahat, pero it's okay, konti na lang. Pagod na daw yung mga bata, tas mga gutom na daw, kaya kain muna kami.